The exact origins of how vanilla came to mean bland are unclear. It dates back to at least the late 1800s as vanilla spread around the world, and it's truly ironic. The unique flavor of vanilla is why it was so desirable in the first place. But the common meaning of generic is probably just because it's everywhere now. It's in ice creams and soft drinks, desserts, foods that aren't even specifically vanilla flavored. And that's fascinating when you think about it. The fact that the flavor of this once obscure orchid is now mundane speaks to the powers of human ingenuity, but also how much we liked that flavor. Truth is, vanilla is anything but bland, even etymologically speaking, just the word itself. Vanilla shares its origins with the word vagina, meaning sheath, referring to how the pod contains the seeds. Also, the word orchid shares its origins with testicle. Take a look at some orchid bulbs, and I think you'll see why. Many judge the quality of vanilla beans based on how long and plump they are, but we all know it's not the size, it's how you use it. Looking back into history, this newspaper article tells how vanilla was once a sort of code word used by soda jerks to call out a pretty woman entering the shop. Vanilla used to mean something was extraordinary. It also mentions how soda jerks were sometimes called squirt persons, and I think that's a fantastic job title. Vanilla extract has been used as a makeshift perfume. Casanova took advantage of its supposed aphrodisiac effects, and even the Aztec Emperor Montezuma, or if my research is correct, apparently it's more properly pronounced Motecuzoma, he credited some of his virility to vanilla in the earliest blended chocolate drinks. Maybe most convincing of all, a German physician reported in 1762, German, my best German accent. This is how we say goodbye in Germany, Dr. Jones. 342 impotent men, by drinking vanilla decoctions, have changed into astonishing lovers of at least as many women. It's funny how language evolves like that, how a word so deeply rooted in eroticism can shift to mean the complete opposite. In conclusion, a word of advice. If you want to find books about vanilla at your public library, as I was recently, be aware that a catalog search with the keyword vanilla will bring up steamy romance novels in the results. Just a heads up.